Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how even you can make the WWDC’21 Memoji Wallpaper for your iPhone. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. To make the WWDC’21 Memoji Wallpaper, you need two series shortcuts, and the shortcuts that will create an action like this are in the description for you to download, so don't forget to check that out. Since both the below links will open up the Shortcut Central website that's in Italian language, and if you are using Safari like me, you won't be able to translate that to English. So for that, I would absolutely recommend you to use Chrome browser so that you are able to translate it to English. Once translated, just scroll down and click on Get. And as a result of this action, the first Siri shortcut will get downloaded. To add the shortcut, you need to scroll all the way down until you see the red button that says Add Untrusted Shortcut. Similarly, you also need to do the same steps for downloading the second Siri shortcuts that is absolutely necessary for making this wallpaper. Once both the Siri shortcuts have been downloaded, now you need to open the Notes app on your iPhone and create a new note. Within that note, just type your favorite Memoji sticker and then close the keyboard. Click on the sticker and click on the share button. At last, just scroll down and select the action that says Me WWDC’21. Now, just keep clicking OK whenever a notification from the Shortcut app shows up. And don't worry, it's just the process of making the wallpaper. Once done, as a result, you will be able to make your very first and very own personalized WWDC’21 Memoji Wallpaper. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.